Find or read reviews that people are talking about DUOMIY Electric Space Heater, 3-in-1 portable heater. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. This upgraded portable heater gives you the freedom to choose how you use it. 1. Hang it on the wall. 2. Clip it anywhere with the built-in hook. 3. Place it on a table. Its compact design saves space and allows you to place it anywhere you want, providing extended coverage and a sleek, modern design. Enjoy warmth and comfort at home, at work, or on the go. The electric heater indoor operates at whisper quiet levels, less 45 decibels keeps your bedroom peaceful, while our advanced PTC ceramic heating and turbo fan blast warm air in 3 seconds. No more freezing while you wait. It comfortably heats spaces up to 200 square feet, about 18 square meter, making it perfect for bedrooms, home offices, or your favorite reading spot. Ditch those clunky old heaters. This compact powerhouse delivers instant warmth without the noise or hassle. This space heater is made of ABS material with enhanced flame retardancy. A built-in NTC chip automatically shuts down the heater when the critical temperature is reached. A tip-over protection system also shuts down the heater if it accidentally tips over. It resumes operation once the heater is righted. A 12-hour timer eliminates the worry of forgetting to turn it off. This easy mount heater has 3 modes, high, low, natural, ranging from powerful heating to more energy-efficient eco mode, with a maximum power of 1500 watt. You can set the heat level to whatever you want within the 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit range, and the eco mode optimizes energy use without sacrificing warmth, helping you lower your electricity bills. This floor or wall mounted heater measures 9.2 x 5.2 x 12.3 inch and weighs 3.3 pounds. It comes with a 5 feet extension cord and integrated handle, making it easy to use in a variety of locations, such as the office, bedroom, and bathroom. The convenient remote control and clear LED display let you easily control the temperature, even from across the room. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.